Hi, I'm Michael Hrivnak. I'd like to tell you about an experiment we've been doing running Helm charts inside of a service bundle. Here we're looking at a base image that you can use to install a Helm chart from inside of a service bundle. It's fairly simple, and it just requires that you put a Helm chart into a known location on the file system, and then that you provide a normal apb.yaml file that describes your service bundle. But there's an easy way. We also have been working on this Helm to Bundle tool that will take care of some of that work for you. Let's take a look at that. So again, this is an experiment. This is the Helm to Bundle repository, and you can check this out yourself and give it a try, but all you do is run the Helm to Bundle command, and it will output for you an apb.yaml file and a Docker file. Let's see this in action. I have here an empty directory, so the first step is to fetch the Helm chart. So there we have a Redis Helm chart. Now we're going to run Helm to Bundle. And that gave us a Docker file and an apb.yaml file. Let's take a closer look. The Docker file looks like a normal service bundle Docker file. The label, of course, will get populated later by the apb tool. And otherwise, this is just putting the chart file into that known location on the file system. The apb.yaml file should also look fairly familiar. We have a name, we have a description. The only interesting thing here is that under the plans, we have a single parameter here on line 17 called values. It's a string type, it has a text area, and you'll notice that the default value is the entire contents of the values.yaml file as retrieved from inside the chart. Now that we have these two files, we can run apb build. And with that done, the next step would simply be to Docker push this image to whatever registry your cluster is configured to use with your broker. I've already taken care of that step, so let's switch over and take a look at a cluster that has this ready to try. Let's create a new project. I'll call it demo. And we can go in our new project and browse the catalog. Here we see this Redis Helm bundle ready to go. So I'll click there. We can click through. And this is where we would normally see potentially a number of widgets to enter various arguments for provision. But in this case, we have one single argument to pass, and it's this entire YAML file. So we have our opportunity to change any values we like here. In this case, there is one value that we have to change because OpenShift's security is a bit tighter than plain Kubernetes. This will not provision unless we change this to false. Let's go ahead and create that, and it's being provisioned. Let's take a look. We already have things happening. A pod is spinning up, and there's a service, and of course we have our provision service down here at the bottom. And there we have it. Our Redis pod is up and running. So that's a quick demo, quick overview of Helm to Bundle, and we'd love to hear what your feedback is. So let us know what you think, and thanks for watching.